Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the controller has enough charge and the phone's Bluetooth is on. This avoids mid-setup drops. Next, update firmware if possible, because newer firmware fixes compatibility and latency. Once done, press and hold the controller's pair button until the Xbox logo blinks rapidly. This signals Bluetooth advertising. On your phone, keep Bluetooth visible. This ensures the device appears in the available devices list. Don't close settings. You'll need it immediately to accept the connection request from the controller. You should now tap the controller entry on your phone's Bluetooth list. The phone and controller exchange keys to form a secure link, so be patient while it completes. Once paired, open a controller tester app or a game with native controller support and verify left stick, right stick, triggers, bumpers, and face buttons all register correctly. If a button feels swapped or dead, use the Xbox Accessories app to remap or install firmware. This step resolves many odd behaviors and improves responsiveness. You're almost done. Fine-tune dead zones and sensitivity in each game so inputs feel natural across titles. If you prefer wired stability, plug the controller into your phone with a USB-C cable and OTG adapter. Wired mode bypasses Bluetooth limits and reduces latency. Make sure background apps aren't blocking controller input. If the controller won't pair, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the phone and controller. Forget the device from Bluetooth, then reinitiate pairing. Most persistent pairing issues clear with a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.